Hi, my friends, Ian Stewart here with yet another video. This one, Hugh has requested. He wants to know how to swap this image out that is added on his programs page. Now, first of all, the reason why we use a 468 times 60 is because it's easier for people to just fill in boxes. Now, when it comes to editing an image and swapping it out for something that is bigger and different, then there is a few more skills involved, but hopefully we can teach you that right now. Okay, first of all, we need to see the image that Hugh wants me to add there, and that is there if you could see it. Okay, so that's the image that Hugh wants on that page. So let us now close this down and go back to his page, and this is his programs page that has just started. Okay, so we need to go to the members area and we need a few tools, and this is where you'll find all the tools. Okay, these are the free members tools and these are the pro members tools. We need to first of all host that image on our server or somewhere. It needs to have a URL, an address online. Now, if you look here under the Pro Tools, you'll see free image hosting. So there we have it. So if we scroll to there and just close this down, what we can now do, if I drag that over, we can now drag that to there. Okay. And then you can see a few things happening. Okay. Now, these are not the links. Would be good, but they're not. Okay. So what we need to do to get the address of this online, we need to left click it. And then we need to left click it again, and this is the image. Okay, so now what we do to get the image address is to right click and then copy image address. Okay, so what we can do now is go back over to Hugh's members area, and we need to click on this link, edit. Okay, just there. So what we can do now is simply click edit. And then this is the image that's in there now. Okay, so what we need to do is to copy from there to there. Not copy it, we need to delete that or highlight it and then right click over it and click paste. And so if we go like this now, you will see a squashed up version of Hugh's picture. Okay, so what we need to do is to alter these sizes. Okay, so here we go. So these are the sizes that we're talking about. So if you go, I think 750 will fit, and we need to make this round about 400. So let's try that. So we'll click edit. I want to go over to Hugh's page and I want to click buff, and there it is. And that's a beautiful size. And that is exactly what Hugh wanted. So that is how to swap out the banner image on a particular program. Now, if you've got multiple programs, when you click on here, if you've got multiple programs, which Hugh hasn't, then you need to select very, very carefully. Don't go and replace something that you don't want to. Choose the picture, click the edit. Okay, then simply add the image link and then the size. And a good size is 750 by 400. So that's how to add a picture to your programs page. Thanks for listening and bye for now.